As Nigerians, we like new. We like this is the in thing. But that in thing, that is the reason why many people have failed to make money online. Making money online works with one word I learned from my pastor, Pastor Chris Oyakilime. It is what he called stickability. That means the ability to stick with a thing. Of course, I know there are times that you start a project and from the very beginning, you know this thing is not going to work and then you trash it. I've done that many times. I have websites that I have abandoned. In fact, now I have about 3 websites that I'm not working on again. I'm not sticking with them. But what does stickability mean? It means being able to follow a path, being able to stay on that path, to understand it, to get to the extreme of that path, such as you know it in and out and you can make the best out of it. When you begin to do that, you discover that making money online will become a reality to you. Many people are deceived by a lot of content creators. You hear something like, oh, affiliate marketing, that is the way to go. Now, let me tell you the truth. There's basically no method of making money online that I have not tried in the last 5 years. I've tried making money with websites. I've tried making money through affiliate marketing. I've tried making money from survey. I've tried different ways of making money and I have an experience, of a bit of all of these things. The truth is there are many ways. There are hundreds of ways to make money. In fact, there was one I discovered recently, which is making money from 11 Lab. I made up to $40 on it, then I abandoned it. I had my voice on it, so I removed it when I discovered that it was going to give me an issue with my Stripe. So I connected my Stripe quite alright here. It was fine. But when it came to the point of withdrawal and all of that, they started asking me some questions. Stripe wanted to verify my address and some of those stuff. And I didn't want to jeopardize losing that account, so I just left it. So there are new ways to make money. But no matter what it is, you have to discover a path. For instance, I gave example of myself that I abandoned some websites, but I have been in the space of making money from websites for more than 5 years now, even when it looked like that space was going to die. I had a website in 2023 that was growing. It was, I was beginning to make some money from it. It was growing. It had some hope. All of a sudden, there was a helpful content update from Google and my traffic came down. God gave me wisdom. I quickly sold the website and I sold it for $4,000. Yeah. So I began to think, what was I going to do? Like the whole space changed. In fact, that time, many people left the space. Some people started creating content on Facebook, started making money from Facebook. Different people started doing different things. But I already built a skill in this and I haven't tried to look for other things to do. But it wasn't just working. I couldn't find a better way. And all of that happened, crossed into 2024. I tried some other websites. I sold some. They weren't working as much as I intended. 2025 is even the height. AI came, disrupted everything. Felt like Gemini, Google AI overview, ChatGPT. We're just going to answer all of the questions and there will be no need for people to ever visit websites. In fact, many people predicted the doom, the end of websites. And just apart from building websites, I also specialize in building calculators. So it's not just websites. I build calculators. That is my focus, building calculators on WordPress. So I was like, what was I going to do? So this is what I've stuck with. Now I searched and searched. I started thinking that, okay, if AI is beginning to take traffic, then my skill would have to be finding those things that AI wouldn't be good at, those things that AI cannot efficiently provide solutions to. And lo and behold, I've found niches. I currently have a website now that I just started in 3 months and it has gotten the first 1,000 clicks just from Google. I have traffic from Bing. I even have traffic from ChatGPT and it's working successfully. If I had jumped on the trend of, okay, AI now, what are we going to do? I'll just become a beginner. All of the skills I've acquired in this space will be gone. And that is what many people have been doing. Now, many people are going into video editing, which is good, but there is still a creative side to this thing. And if you're not a creative, it doesn't matter how good you can use the tool, you will still not be among the top 1% people that are making money from video editing. So you have to discover your strength and find a path and stick with that path. So you keep on evolving. For instance, I use AI a lot now, even if I'm still in the website space. I use AI a lot in my workflow. I use AI a lot, but I'm still in the same space. So as the space is evolving, you keep evolving, you keep changing, you keep on finding new ways, creative ways, and that is what will begin to earn you some money. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how I've stuck with this space, and all of the things that have ever made me money are things I discovered while building. So that is just my simple advice for you today. In my next videos, I'm going to give you some other tips that would help you in making money online. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, because we still have a lot to talk about. This is the first time I'm sharing everything I know about making money online, and I've been doing this since year 2020. On Fiverr alone, I've made more than $10,000. I know that might sound small to some people, but that is $10,000 working partially on Fiverr. So I've made more offline than on Fiverr. I'm not so active there, but I still make money from it once in a while. Yeah. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.